Name is Priya Raj. I am 19 years young and enthusiastic girl. I always dreamt to become a cabin crew. The moment I boarded my first flight with Indigo, I saw the uniform, I saw the hospitality air hostesses were serving to the passenger. It really motivated me. I felt very happy that customer service is something we can serve our services, we can grant our services and make a passenger happy. Not only a passenger, customer service, a person should always help use it in daily life also, not only on board. Whenever you're meeting with some other people in general also, you should have a pleasing smile, approachable personality. So all these things fascinated me, and I thought that even I can grant my services to the passengers, it will help me. And if I can make them happy, I can make them satisfied, so that is why. Gave my cabin crew interviews in Indore, and I cleared all the rounds over there. But I was not having my offer letter at that time. They said that there are some pronunciation errors which you make. So it is important for you, and it will help you in general also if you take our PhD training. We call it pre-hiring training in Indigo. So you'll be having four classes, four training partners. You can select one. So I was not aware of English for India earlier, but when I saw that it is mentioned over there, I searched about it and I got enrolled, and then I had my trainings over there. Most important and most like fun part was that activities. The trainer was very approachable. My trainer was Smita ma'am. She was very approachable. She was very, not only she was our trainer, but also she was our friend. She helped us in yeah, she used to share our personal, she used to always ask us to share our personal experiences, because according to her, until and unless you don't feel it personally, you cannot fake it also. So activities or sharing personal experiences was something I felt was very like good to improve and to make a person more comfortable with the classes, because 6 hours spending every day was a very difficult initially, but the trainer, other colleagues made it really easy.
बहुत खुश है अपनी बेटी से, और जो मतलब वो की है कोर्स, उस सबसे हम बहुत संतुष्ट है।
Obviously very excited. Initially nervous about the results when Reshma ma'am and Neelam ma'am shared the results. I was very happy. I was jumping off camera. I was just waiting that to share it with my friends, to share it with my parents, because I don't live with them. I live away. I was just waiting. The moment the meeting will get over, I will call them. I will share it with them, because my mother was waiting. She was constantly calling me, "Ki, what is the result? What is the result?" I was just waiting. The moment meeting will get over, I will call her. I will share it with her. I'll throw a mini party with my to my friends, because they were waiting for the results as well. I initially also in training period also, I have always shared that I will give my 100% to Indigo. I will excel my knowledge and experience by working with this organization. And as far as my career is concerned, I want to be a happy, successful woman. Want to achieve everything. Want to give my mother all the happiness, my father all the happiness, because my mother and father have sacrificed their life just for the sake of their children, just for the sake of my upbringing. So whatever my mother wishes for, if I'm able to afford it, if I'm able to give that to her, I feel I'm successful. I feel I'm happy. So that is what I just looking forward. One advice would be constant and a little bit of hard work, confidence and consistency, something which will make you reach your destination. You will surely achieve whatever you want to become if you have confidence. If you're confident, no matter if you're doing something wrong, also just be confident. Just ask your mentors, respect their advice always, and consistency is something which always have a positive impact on an individual. So just be confident, be consistent. You will surely achieve your dreams. surely have a better communications. Not only communication, they will feel confident as well, because as we all know that these classes are online only. You don't know anyone, but still you have a family
Mm.
environment. You love to engage with people. You learn to make small conversation, which is very important nowadays. So obviously, English for India will definitely help new people, different people who are want to enhance their communication and want to learn English. It will surely help them out.